Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are here with the Marilyn Martyouze Romance Rewards subscription box. I have unboxed this before, and I'm trying something different today. So I have both my hands. I'm using a selfie, like the most bizarrely rigged camera setup, whatever. So this is the outer box. It did come in a postal carrier bag. This is a monthly or bi-monthly subscription. It's $39 monthly or $58 bi-monthly. Each package contains 2 audiobooks and an assortment of other items. The box I got before was really nice. It was a bunch of like bath items and just things to relax. It's great for working moms. It's great for busy moms, busy women in general, or just people that enjoy romance books, but they're audiobooks. So anyway, I do have 2 coupon codes. One gives you 20% off the month-to-month, and then I have one that gives you 50% off plus free shipping on a 6-month subscription. There is, I think, a $7 flat rate shipping. They do ship to both the United States and to Canada, which I think is pretty cool. All right, so let's get in here. I don't know what's in here yet. This was our top. And I remember from before, yeah, they put like fun little red palms and stuff, which I think is really cute. Your box contents, we're gonna not peek. Get 1 year free subscription to a popular women's magazine with your next box. Use MM Rewards to leave us a photo review on Instagram. I do like this way better just because I know you can see that my surface isn't large enough, but I do like that the camera is not shaky. Because when I hold it with one hand, I only have one hand free and I don't really like that. Okay, I love you, but no. All right, first we have some, are these what the books we got? No. These are like, these tell us about books, like they're like book promos. So there's the Duke and the Lady in Red, and then the Once and Future Duchess. So there's that. I have to take my cardigan off because it is hot all of a sudden. All right. Be good. Don't be a stinker. All right. So, here, you gotta move, buddy. Sorry. Ashley, let's see what this says. Your audiobooks. Enjoy 2 contemporary selections from best-selling authors Julia London and C.D. Rice, plus a 3rd downloadable. No, it's 50. So it's Bodyguard, Brand Misfortune, then select the Duke and the Lady. Oh, so we get a downloadable one from one of the 2 that they included on these cards over here. It took me a second to understand that, but those cards. All right, so here's our audiobook. So there's Bodyguard, Hollywood A-List by C.D. Rice. And then there is this Julia London, Misfortune, The Fancy Lives of the Lear Sisters. This is a New York Times bestselling author. Like, she's just pushing the box. This is unabridged. So these are great to, like, if you have a commute and you like to listen to stuff in your car and whatnot. So that's a great option or an idea. All right, no, we're not doing that right now. I'll pitch you in just a minute. All right, so this here, what is this? Look at the bird. Oh, how pretty. All right, so this is Davis, Sacker, and Perkins. So cool. I don't know. Is it a candle? Or it's just a, oh no, it's a luxury soap, and it comes in a box. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, you know Christmas is coming. This would be a great gift. But it's verbena soap, just so y'all know. It has like a very citrusy smell. I actually really like birds. I don't know if you guys know that. And I think I will keep this because it's pretty. But it would be a nice gift. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe a teacher gift, right? Okay. So then we have this thing. Charcoal Lavender Bath Bomb. So this is from Pennington's, which I've never heard of. Swifters. Come on, dude. What are you doing? Let me smell it. It smells good. It smells like lavender. I like the box, and I like that it's charcoal, so my tub will turn black. Like the, you know, the one from Lush. It's called Dark Arts. All right, Swifty, come on. Come on, you gotta go. Go. All right, so we're down to the wire here. A couple items. These look like, ooh, hand creams. So this is from Ellen Tracy. Lavender hand cream, jasmine hand cream, and wildflower hand cream. I don't know if I've ever told you guys before, but these little containers, these like little, they have this swirl top thing. Oh my gosh, this cat is just just like all up in business. I think she just stole one of those. I love these. I think they're beautiful. I like to display them. And they sent so many, so that is really, really cool. That is everything I put in my, I received in my Marilyn Martyouze box. I will put the coupon codes down below. I'll link to my full review. I will also link to Marilyn Martyouze if you'd like to sign up for that. I think this is a fun box, especially obviously if you love romance and / audiobooks. But it also has some nice beauty and bath items. So we have the 3 hand creams, the charcoal bath bomb, the little decorative soap, and our 2 audiobooks, plus the book, the downloadable book, which is really cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this video, this angle, and less shakiness because of the selfie stick. I'm actually using one of those. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!